If you are watching this, it means one thing. You want to be better. Maybe you are tired of wasting time, tired of feeling weak inside, tired of always saying, I will do it tomorrow. I know how that feels. I was lost too, but one day I said something simple. Enough is enough. That was the day my life started to change. If you want to fix your life, if you want to feel strong, then this is your moment. I'm the master of the maze. I will help you to change your life financially, mentally, and physically. Let's go deeper into it. Stop lying to yourself. We lie to ourselves every day. I will start tomorrow, I don't have time, it's so hard. But wait, you had time to scroll on TikTok, right? Time to watch Netflix, time to play video games. But no time for your health, no time to pray, no time for your goals. The truth is hard, but it sets you free. Real men tell the truth, even to themselves. So I ask you right now, are you honest with yourself? Your habits are the problem. Your life is not broken, your habits are. If you want to change your life, you must first change your small daily actions. Start simple. Wake up early, make your bed, drink water, pray on time, do push-ups. These things sound small, but they build discipline, and discipline builds a strong man. Don't try to change everything in one day. Just fix one thing. Then do it again tomorrow. Then again and again. Day by day, you become powerful. After you finish, watch the previous video that talks about why you are still broke because of your habits. Fix your body. A weak body makes a weak mind, and a weak mind gives up fast. You don't need a gym. You don't need money. You need effort. Do push-ups in your room. Go for a walk. Shadow boxing. Train like a fighter. When you sweat, something happens. You feel alive. You feel proud. You feel like a man. Your body is your home. Don't let it rot. If you have the ability to pay a small price to improve your health, it is better, because many don't have the ability to do that. Because you will learn from experienced person and save 2 years of your effort to learn and to improve your body. I'm a boxing trainer and a personal trainer. I can help you change your body to become deadly weapon. To contact me, click on the link to Instagram and send me the word body, and they will help you literally change your life. Protect your mind. Let me ask you something. What do you feed your mind every day? Is it noise? Gossip, drama? That is why you feel tired. That is why your focus is gone. Turn that off. Read a book, learn a skill, watch people who push you to grow. Garbage in, garbage out. But gold in, gold out. Protect your mind like a treasure, because that is what it is. Build your faith. Don't forget the most important thing, faith. You didn't come from nothing. You were made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with purpose. Real men pray. Real men ask for help from the one above. Real men walk with faith when things get dark. Faith gives you peace. Faith gives you focus. Faith keeps your heart strong. Even when life gets heavy, fix your heart and your life will follow you. Discipline equals freedom. Most people chase comfort, but comfort makes you weaker. You want real freedom, you need discipline. Discipline to wake up early. Discipline to say no to distractions. Discipline to train when you are tired. Discipline to stay focused. Discipline is not a prison. It's the door to success, to peace, to power. You don't need motivation. You need a routine to be successful. Brother, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to wake you up. You were made for more. Stop hiding from your greatness. Stop waiting for the right time. Start now. I'm the master of the maze. I'm here to help you build your life with strength, with faith, and with purpose. And if you are ready to go deeper, watch this video. You might not even realize you are doing them, but they are destroying your future. Don't let that happen. And remember, enough is enough. Wake up. See you in the next video.